Gracie and Ms Cathy here. We're going to teach you how to make one of our favorite science activities, slime. So, some of you might have done it before. It used to have a lot of ingredients you had to put in it, and some of them we don't like to use that much, like the borax. So now I found at the store they have this activator, which it's got everything you need to add to the glue to make slime. So it's pretty simple and easy, and it's a little safer too.
And it smells.
That one's scented. What scent is it?
It is lime and cherry.
Yeah. And then you want to tell them about this one?
Yes.
That one's special too.
This one is activator with foam beads, which I'm going to be using.
You're going to use that one. I'm going to use the scented one.
And we're going to use these glues.
So anyway, you can also find recipes online, which is what we used to do. Some of them use contact lens solution. Some of them use the borax. Some of them use baking soda. So you can look online to find lots of neat recipes to make slime, but I just thought this would be a really simple, easy way to show you guys how to do it. So what do you do first? What do you put in the bowl first?
Glue.
Okay, so the first thing you need is glue. So we're going to open up our glue bottles. You need some help?
No, I got it.
Okay. And squeeze, I don't know if you can see this, I'm squeezing the glue into the bowl. Makes funny sounds, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine doesn't.
And I bought two of the same color, so I'm just going to put them both in there.
And I got metallic.
Metallic pink also. Okay, so I got most of that in there. I'm going to start on my other bottle. How's yours going?
Good.
Okay.
It's just taking its time.
Yeah. Okay.
It usually takes its time.
But the fun thing about making slime is you can reuse it over and over again. Just keep it in a sealed container or a Ziploc plastic bag, and it keeps pretty good. It's fun to make different kinds like we're doing today, because then you can compare them. You can see the differences and the similarities in the two slime. Okay, so we don't have to get every drop out, but if you got most of it out, we're probably good.
Yeah.
And then what is the next step?
I'm going to use all mine.
Okay, let me help you with this one so we can speed it up a little.
Yes.
Okay.
This one's almost done.
This one's kind of a shiny metallic glue, which is kind of cool. We've used lots of different types of glue. You can use just clear. You can also use food coloring to make your slime different colors.
Yeah.
If you're using white glue, that's a good idea to put some color in it.
And you can make fluffy slime. You have to...
What do you have to add for that?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream makes it the fluffy
Fluffy.
kind, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, that's probably enough glue in there.
I'm just going to have one more drop.
Yeah, it was hard for me to get the rest out of mine, too.
Yeah, it's really hard to get slime out of the box.
Glue?
Yes.
It's not slime yet, right?
Yes.
So it's going to transform into slime?
I forgot what it's called.
So it's just glue right now, but we're going to add something to turn it into slime.
And we're using sticks to stir today.
And then we'll use our
Hands.
hands, right?
To feel.
Well, to also mix it up. So we're going to use the sticks at first, but we'll probably end up having to use our hands. And see here, our camera is moving.
Yeah.
There we go.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. So we got almost all the glue in there now.
My glue
Okay.
coming out really slow.
This part's taking longer than I thought it would.
Mine's just dripping slowly.
Yes. All right.
This is fun for people to make slime.
All right. Let's shake it, and then
Okay, that's
good
good.
enough, right? Okay. So then
got bubbles
I read the
in.
directions on this activator because this is the first time I've used this. It's a lot more simple, but you might want to use one of the recipes online if you want your kids to measure lots of stuff. Right now we're only using a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, but some of the other recipes call for a lot more measuring and more steps involved. involved.
Can you help?
Yeah. Okay, so we're not going to pour the whole thing in there, though. We are going to use our spoon, right?
Yes.
And do you want to squeeze that onto the spoon? And I'll hold the spoon? Okay. We're going to use our one teaspoon. I don't know if it's going to come out very easily. Here, you want to switch me and hold the spoon and I'll squeeze? Because that's pretty hard to squeeze, isn't it? Okay.
There's already a foam bead in there.
Yep, okay, so there's foam beads and then there's also the clear activator ingredient, right?
And I can smell
Okay,
her
so you can
activator.
scrape that off into there with your stick if you want to. Trying to keep this camera, but it just keeps moving, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to use mine. That's hers.
Yes.
Did you get it on?
No.
Okay.
I want to get all the foam beads and my slime that's
That
in
one
the
smells
cup.
like cherry limeade.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, that's good.
here, I'll finish for you.
Yeah.
Couple more.
Because we're going to use the same.
Yeah, I gotta use this measuring spoon because I didn't get two. We're gonna share.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and start stirring yours. So she's gonna work on that while I add my activator.
Ooh, it's looking pretty. I want to show you what mine looks
Okay.
so far. This is mine.
And it has the little foam beads in it.
Yes, I had to put it down because I didn't want it to drip down.
Okay, I added 2 teaspoons of my activator because I used 2 bottles of glue, so I'm thinking it's probably gonna take at least that much to change it into slime. So, oh, it does smell good. You smell the cherry?
Yeah. You're gonna have smelly slime.
I am gonna have smelly slime. Oh no, my stick broke.
Uh-oh.
I'll have to get a new one. I didn't want to use spoons because that's one more thing I'd have to clean. Okay.
You can't really see my foam beads.
So does yours look like it's still real sticky?
Yeah.
Okay, so we probably need to add a little more activator. The instructions on the bottle say add 1 teaspoon at a time, and then check it if it's still sticky to add another teaspoon of the activator. That's a little more than a teaspoon, but that's okay.
Yes.
Because we probably need at least that much.
Yeah.
So you're going to get to feel it soon. Right now we're just still mixing. We don't want all this to stick to our hands, but we're going to change to mixing it with our hands and kneading it like dough.
Looks cool.
Once it...
I think it's almost done.
Nope, I got some of your foam beads. There's one.